Ever wonder what the gears in a dangerous lathe looks like?
Well, here you go.
These things bring forth some powerful torque. You must be careful. Anyways, this is a Victor Precision high-speed lathe. Can you believe how much power these gears provide? More power than me with my wife, that's for sure. Ho, ho, ho. Come on, that was hilarious. Almost as hilarious as the time I banged your mother. Oops, that's what Maury said when I proved you weren't mine. This has taken a sudden turn. Let's get back to the lathe. Oh no, we're out of time. Be sure to subscribe to Dave the Mechanic.